Hello and good evening everyone. Welcome to the live PYQ session of the chapter Continuity and Differentiability. Now this is very important chapter when you talk with respect to the entire unit of calculus. Reason is very simple. One of the high weightage 6 marks comes from here, and also this is the easier part of the calculus. When you go to the applications, when you go to the integrals, the question's difficulty keeps increasing, right? So that's why it is very important to get this right, so you have the right amount of confidence going in and overcoming the fear that everybody has when it comes to the calculus unit, which is the highest weightage unit of entire PU2 or your KCET examination, right? So let me check who all are here. Good evening to everyone. Okay, so I can see Alan is here. Good evening, Alan, and others who are joining in right now. I'll wait for a couple of minutes and then we'll start with the session. So of course I have taken some questions that I'm going to solve, but the session's agenda is very simple. Not only I'm going to solve the questions for all of you, I also want to have the doubts clarified. The thing is, we are coming with the live sessions right now because some of the questions I might miss in the recorded sessions. You might want to ask me something, so all those concerns, all those queries regarding the chapter continuity and differentiability can be asked in this session. Okay, so keep joining, have your doubts ready, and we're gonna ace it. So Alan, good evening, how are you? So just we'll wait for one more minute and then we'll start with the session. Okay, 1 minute guys, just let your friends, let your colleagues, let your peers join. Okay, so meanwhile, for all of you who are already here, I'll show you the question number 1. You can try solving it. Question number 1, you can try solving it, right? Okay, so question number 1 is what? If fx equals to 3 sine pi x upon 5x. I hope I'm audible, right? All of this is visible. Guys, let me know. Yeah, I'm very good. Alan has given me the answer already, 3 pi by 10. Okay, we'll check if others are giving me the answer right now. I don't think for this question anybody is giving me the answer, and the answer is correct. What Alan said, 3 pi by 10. Okay, is option B only, 3 pi by 10. It's basic question based upon the definition of continuity and differentiability. Please expect a question on the definition this year as well. In 2026, expect a question that will come on the definition of this. Even for the last year, there was a question I will show you right now. In the year 2025, they asked a question on the basis of both. They can either combine them, like a definition of continuity where the limits are equal to the function value, or they can ask you on the definition of basically differentiability, where they ask you to find LHD, RHD and check your results. Okay, so how do you solve this question? For all of you who don't know how to solve it, it's okay. Function value when x is not equal to 0 is given as 3 sine pi x upon 5x. Okay, Alan, tell me, how do we solve this question? Give me one word answer. How do we solve this question? One word is enough to answer this question. Let me know what is that. All right, I'm still waiting for answer from Alan. Yeah, so what is that right word for this? Basically use of L'Hopital rule, right? L'Hopital's rule. Use that and this question will be solved. Yes, LH rule. You have given the right answer. If you differentiate this, you're gonna get what? 3 cos pi x. Is it enough? No. You have to differentiate pi x also with the chain rule. You'll get pi divided by derivative of 5x will become 5, and this is all done. I hope you all know it under the limits. X tends to the point 0. If you use that now, you'll get this as 3 pi by 5, because cos pi into 0, cos 0 is 1, right? So answer is 3 pi by 5, and that is equal to the value of the function because it's given as continuous. It will become f of 0 should be equal to 3 pi by 5, which is nothing but, in this case, 3 pi by 5 equals to 2k, and the k value comes as 3 pi by 10. The k value comes as 3 pi by 10. Hence the option B was the correct answer. Yes, LH rule is right. So I hope question number 1 was very easy. Yes, let's look at the question number 2 now. We'll again keep waiting for those others to join, but right now, of course, for all of you who are here, it's not fair that to not do anything. Let's solve question number 2. So please attempt it. Give me the answer for question number 2 right now. Okay, again, don't forget, of course, I have taken some questions that I'm going to solve, the most important PYQs from the chapter, but it's also about asking your own doubts. If you have something, you can ask me, I'll help you out. Okay. Hi Kumar. So try solving question number 2. Alan, give me the answer for question number 2. D. D is the answer for question number 2. Alan is saying that. Kumar, what about you? What is your answer for question number 2? So you are supposed to find what? 1 plus derivative square. So yeah, Madhvi is also saying now D is the correct answer. Okay, so yes, correct answer is actually D. So usually what happens, students make this mistake and take the answer as simply C. Let's say if it was given as no minus tan theta, you'll take that as answer. I'll tell you why. Because if you differentiate this, if you differentiate this, you will have, please check, dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. I hope all of you know what is this. This is a parametric form. This is the parametric form. Differentiate this, you'll have A is there, 3 sine square theta comes with cos theta, and of course over here you'll have A is there and 3 cos square theta with minus sine theta. Cross check, A cancel, 3 cancel, cos cancel this one, sine cancel this one. I have answer as minus tan theta. Now if you don't look at this question actually, then your answer will be, if the option is given as minus tan theta, you might tick that option. So please be careful what exactly they're asking. This is there, I'm telling you, you might look silly to you, but you remember, right, making silly mistakes in the examination? Yes, this kind of mistakes happen. Please avoid that, because they're asking you 1 plus y1 square, okay? What's the value of y1? 1 plus minus tan theta square. Answer is 1 plus tan square theta, which becomes simply sec square theta. The option D given by Madhvi and Alan was correct. Kumar, I want the answer from you also from the next question. Okay? So all of you are joining, give me the answer. I would like to know, because what happens, when you try to solve the question, and don't wait for me to give the answer, you come up with an approach. Now when I teach you the right approach, if you got it right, you will be having confidence, I got it right. But if you got it wrong, you will know what went wrong. Okay, so it's very important to have an approach, have an answer. Whether it is right or wrong does not matter. Okay, question number 3. All of you clear in question number 2? Question number 3 you have now. Solve it, please. So all of you, I want answers from Alan, Kumar, Madhvi. Come on. Yeah. Question number 3. So how do you solve this? A function fx given as e power 1 by x minus 1, e power 1 by x plus 1. So look, if this question comes in your boards, then you have to find LHL, RHL and prove it not equal to or equal to your function value at that point. But since it's a KCET problem, this question came in KCET 2025, then you have to be faster in the process. Just simply find your LHL in this case. Simply find LHL in this case. Okay, when you do that, this will become what? Limit of the function fx when x tends to 0 from which side? From negative side, right? 0 from the negative side, and should be equal to what? F of 0. F of 0 is how much? F of 0 is given as 0. Okay, for this to be continuous, please check for the function what we have. Let's find the limit first. Limit of e power 1 by x, we have minus 1 and e power 1 by x plus 1. Please check, x tends to 0 minus. X tends to 0 minus. Think about it. If I talk about this, if x tends to 0 minus, what happens to 1 by x? It will go to negative infinity, right? It will go to negative infinity. How come, sir? Think about it. What's the meaning of 0 minus? This is 0, right? I'm trying to approach this from here. It's a very small negative value. 0 minus means it's a very, very, very small negative value. If you divide 1 by 0, 0 point, let's say 0.00001, you'll have a very big value. Okay, so if you keep doing that, you'll have plus infinity. But if you are dividing this by a very small negative value, what happens? This becomes e power, this becomes basically negative of infinity. So this whole thing changes to what? E power minus infinity minus 1, e power minus infinity plus 1. Look at the graph of exponential function. This is the graph. Okay, when x goes to minus infinity and plus infinity, y goes to plus infinity and y goes to 0 over here. Answer will be what? 0 minus 1 and 0 plus 1. Please check. I'm getting minus 1 upon 1. This is the value of my limit. I'm getting this as minus 1 and this is nothing but 0. Are they equal? They are not equal. They are not equal because f of 0 is 0, whereas limit value is coming as minus 1 by 1. That is how much? That is minus 1. So it means that the function is not continuous, which is option number 2. Option number 2. So Alan gave me the right answer as B. Madhvi, please try. Kumar and others who are in the live but not giving me any answers, please try, bacha. Okay, I'm here for all of you only, do not worry, do not feel even little bit less. Okay, I'm here to help you out, each and every one of you, right? We at Diksha Karnataka are very much committed to deliver, to give you the right commitment and right approach to solve all the problems, okay, and understand what is going on with you. It's okay if you don't get it, it's okay, but try at least. Please try. It's my request. Purni, okay, B is correct. Yeah. Now I want all of you to give me the answers. Question number 3 is done. Question number 4 now. 3, anybody has doubt in question number 3? Anyone has doubt in question number 3? Okay? No. So question number 4 now. The function fx equals to gif of x, where x or gif of x denotes greatest integer of function, is continuous at which point? We have 4 options given here. Please tell me the right answer in the question number 4. Question, I think Alan has given the answer already. Alan got, so Alan has got, I think so far all 4 questions right. I want to write this. I want to make sure that you all know. Alan knows 4 questions, right? Alan's score is 4. We had Madhvi at 1. Madhvi at 1, and we also have Purni at 1, right? Yeah. So guys, I want to tell you that these people have got 1 question right and 4 questions right, like this. I want all of you to participate, okay? So 4B is the right answer. 4B is the right answer. So there will be a competition like this. I want to see how many of you got how many questions right. Okay, so of course this is very much clear, right? Because if you define GIF, the graph looks like this. Remember, you have closed over here, you go and keep open here, closed here, open here, closed here, open here, right? So every time at integers there is a break in the function. At integers, when x belongs to integers, there is a break in the function, whether it is 0, minus 1, sorry, plus 1, 2, 3, whatever you're going to take. This is minus 1 and minus 2. So any value of integer, the function breaks. There is a discontinuity in the function. So this function will be continuous only at the point which is not an integer. Minus 2 is an integer, 4 is an integer, 1 is integer. So we have only 1.5 which is not an integer. Hence answer is option B. Okay. So I want, for the next question, everyone be ready. I want answers from all of you. Okay. For the next one, question number 5. I have taken a lot of questions, don't worry. So you'll all get the chance to solve the problems. Question number 5 is over here. Please check. Question number 5. Give an answer, everyone in the live. Try attempting now. 4th, anybody has having any doubt? Yeah. So Alan has the answer already. Okay guys, I'll wait for others. So far Alan has given me answer for 5 questions. Purni was at 1 and Madhvi was also at 1. Rest others, no answers. Okay, so I'm still waiting. Guys, give me answer for this one. Okay, so let's start. X power y and e power x minus y is there. Whenever you have a question like this, whenever you have in the question powers or product or quotient, apply log on both sides in the equation given to you. Apply logarithms on both sides. When you do that, the question becomes very simple. For example, here what I'll have log of x power y and log of e power x minus y. Now you can use the property of log. This becomes y log x and x minus y log e. Now all of you know log e is 1, right? Because log means with the base e. So log e will be 1. Now what you have, you can bring this y on this side. It becomes y log x plus y equals to x. Now you take y common. You get log of x plus 1 equals to x. Okay, that's my function so far. I can get y as subject right now, x upon 1 plus log x. Differentiate this. Answer will be what? Y dash equals to what? What is the answer given by? Okay, Alan gave the answer as C. C is, I think, the correct answer. C is the correct answer. Okay, I get x derivative as 1, keeping 1 plus log x as it is, and minus sign. This time I'm going to do what? Excuse me, differentiate. So x will be as it is and differentiate this thing. So I get what? 1 will be 0, I get 1 by x, right? I get 1 by x divided by 1 plus log x the whole square. X and x is cancelled. I have answer as log x upon 1 plus log x the whole square. Okay, please check, one is there over here, one is over here, they'll cancel each other out. That's my answer for derivative. Option C is correct. Option C is correct. So far I have, okay, Purni has come back, so one more she got right, and Tanmay is again there. Tanmay Shetty, he got 1 right. Okay, B is not right, bacha. B is not right. Tanmay, you have to try better. B is the wrong answer. The right answer is C. Okay, so C is the correct answer, everyone. If you have a doubt, Tanmay, ask me which part is the problem. Okay, this is a simple question, I guess. All right, let's move on to question number 6 now. Any of you who have the doubt in this question or any other question you want to ask me from the chapter continuity and differentiability, you can ask. All right, I'll discuss that. Come on. Okay, question number 6. Because I can solve it quickly, I want you to solve first, and I want you to have an approach whether it is right or wrong, but please make an attempt. That's what I'm here for. Yeah, Alan has given another answer, D. D is correct. D is correct. Okay, so D is the right answer. You know why he got it right? Because it's a trick actually. This question is a trick. Whenever you have the same basis, and in this case as product, in this case as sum, and the powers also remain same, here in the product, here in the again sum, okay, the powers, the simple rule is taking answer as y by x. Taking rule answer as y by x. How do you solve this question? Of course, you have to apply log on both sides. So you'll get log of x power m plus log of y power n, and you have over here m plus n log of x plus y. Okay, so solve this question, solve this derivative. You'll have this as m ln x plus n ln y equals to m plus n ln x plus y. If you solve this now, you'll have the answer as the option D. Otherwise, in the simple words, it's a trick actually. I have taught you guys even in the C&D sessions, even in the previous, if your seniors are here, if they're watching this session, I've taught them in the trick video as well. This is actually a trick which is used in KCET to get the answer as y by x. Okay, so I hope, so I think Tanmay has, no, okay, he has not given any different answer for this. All right guys, so but I can see all of you are here but not giving me the answer. Yes. Okay, yeah, sorry, I wrote it wrong. It is m ln x, correct. This m will come in front, right? So m ln x, thank you Alan for pointing it out. Let's move on to next question, guys. So others are falling behind. Once you come back to the question, I'll keep giving you wherever you have got it right. Question number 7 now. Please practice this problem. They are very important ones. These are the PYQs. Means you can understand from here the questions are coming like this, right? That's why it is very, very important to solve all these problems, to be comfortable in all these problems. Okay, let's start. Question number 7, tan inverse of x square plus y square equals to alpha. Find the derivative. Find the derivative. Hint, take tan inverse on this side and solve it now. Yeah. Okay, still waiting for your answers. Take tan inverse on that side and solve it now. Simple. How do you get this? X square plus y square equals to tan alpha, right? Do not worry, tan alpha is a constant. This is a constant. Differentiating will make this 0. So you'll have here as 2x plus 2y dy by dx equals to 0, right? What's your answer then? Your answer will become, please check, dy by dx equals to minus 2x upon 2y. 2 and 2 is cancelled, I get minus x upon y. Option A is correct. Option A is correct. All right. Okay. So this question 7, nobody gave the answer for this. Why? Purni got it right. So Purni so far has got 2 right. Right? No, not 2, 3 I think. She got 3 right, and Alan has got 6 right. Okay. And Madhvi was at 1. Alright. Others are not participating. I don't know why. If you don't know it, at least try. At least give it a try. Okay. If you are having a problem in a question, let me know what is exactly the trouble. Which step? Step number 1, step number 2, which is troubling you. I'll clear that again. Okay. Question number 8 now. Question number 8 now. Okay. Question number 8. If y equal to tan inverse of sin x plus cos x upon cos x minus sin x, find derivative dy by dx equals to what? Find the derivative dy by dx equals to what? You can take this on this side. No need, sir. No need of that. What's the answer then? Answer for question number 8. Answer for question number 8. So if you check here, I can divide this bracket especially. I have tan inverse, right? I'll give you one step as hint. In the bracket, what you have, divide everything by cos. This will become tan. Sin by cos is tan. And next you have cos by cos, which is 1. You'll have here cos by cos, so 1 again, and this will be tan. All of you know there's a formula for this. Formula of what? Use this formula, tan of. Use this formula. Tan of. Okay, the crazy Lutz is here. Option D he has given. Okay. Okay. So he's given the answer. Purni has given the C as the answer. Crazy Lutz is saying D. I got it. Alan is saying D. Okay. So Alan is saying D. We'll see. I'm solving for all of you. Please check. This will become what? This whole thing becomes 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x. Same thing is here. So I can write this as tan inverse of, what is it? Tan pi by 4 plus x. Okay, if you operate this, you're going to get y equals to pi by 4 plus x. How much is this? If you differentiate this, you're going to get this as 0 and 1. Answer is 1. So option D is correct. Option D is correct. Option D is correct, yes. So far we have Crazy Lutz at 1, Alan at 7. Purni got it wrong, I guess, right? Yeah, Purni got it wrong. The answer was D here. So C is at 3. Guys, please try. Purni got it. Why the answer is option D and not option C? Purni, is your answer clear why it is D and not C? Okay. Please try to answer me when I'm asking you, because I get to know. Yes, very good. Thank you. That makes me happy. Question number 8 is done. Question number 9 now. Problem number 9. So who's solving this? It's a very common question. It's part of your CBSE, sorry, NCERT also, and it's a PYQ as well. So please solve this problem. Question number 9. Okay. For a constant a, derivative of this function is going to be what? Okay. So of course you can solve this. This to be solved using this approach. Y equals to x power x. Take ln on both sides, so we get ln y equals to x ln x. Solve from here, derivative, get the answer. But is it required? No. Okay, is it required? No. Basically differentiate this part and you get the answer anyway, because you check here, the first step is same for the first derivative is same for all the 4 options. If it was not, then I'll check for even this derivative also. But in this case, you can see everywhere is the same thing. It means there's no need of differentiating that part anyway. Differentiate this. X power a becomes ax power a minus 1, and a power x derivative will be what? This will become a power x and ln a. You can see here only one option is suitable like this, because this will become what? A power a derivative is what? 0 is a constant. So option B is correct. Alan has got it right. Okay, Alan has got it right. Alan is at right now. Question 8. Purni, you got it right. Okay, she has not answered this question. Purni is at 3 and Crazy Loot was at 1 in the previous one. We'll see. Okay, so others, you got it. What I'm trying to explain over here in this question. Is this clear? Is the question number 9 clear? All of you. Is question number 9 clear? Please check. Yes, I think so. I hope so, because I am getting answer from only one of you. I would like to have more answers. Okay. So question number 9 is clear. Let's move on to question number 10 now. if fx equals to cos x minus sin x in the mod, then f dash of pi by 6 is equal to what? It's a good question, not difficult, but it's a good question. If you solve this question without, let's say for the first time you're looking at a question like this and you're able to get this right, it means you're conceptually very, very strong. If you got this question in the examination, you've never solved this and you got it right, it means conceptually you're very strong. You know the concept very, very good. Okay, so cos x minus sin x, draw the graph. Cos x is this, sin x is this. This point you all know is called as pi by 4 or 45 degrees, because cos 45 is 1 by root 2 and sin 45 is also 1 by root 2, means they're both equal to each other. Where's the angle pi by 6? Pi by 6 is nothing but 30 degrees, which is before this. Somewhere here you'll have pi by 6. All of you agree? Now in this case, please check. This upper curve is cos and this lower curve is sin. So at the value pi by 6, is cos more or sin more? At x equals to pi by 6, cos x is more than sin x, right? Please check, cos is above. So what do you get? You get cos x minus sin x is more than 0. Cos x minus sin x is more than 0. What happens here? It means the modulus will open with a positive sign. So your fx will actually become simply cos x minus sin x. What is the next part? Derivative. Differentiate it now. You get this as minus sin x. This will become sin derivative is cos, so minus cos x. Take minus common, you have sin x plus cos x, guys. Your answer is sin x plus cos x. I think I got some answers. Yasas has given me answer as okay, for this question I think Yasas has given me answer as D, Purni has given the answer as D, Alan has given the answer as C, and I am very unfortunate to say that all of these are wrong answers. Please check. Sin at 30, sin 30 degrees, sin pi by 6 is how much? Minus sin of pi by 6 plus cos of pi by 6, right? You get over here 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2. What I get? Minus 1 plus root 3 by 2. Option A is correct. So all of you have got this question wrong. Okay, all of you have got this question wrong. Yes, Alan, you're right now, but it will not count because you made a silly mistake. What was the mistake, Alan? Yes, A is correct. Purni, A is correct. But what is the mistake? Both of you tell me. Yashash, Alan and Purni, what's the mistake that you made? Give me one word answer. What went wrong? Was the graph part correct? Was the graph part correct? Okay. Everyone, was the graph part correct, guys? Graph was right, I think, right? So this is clear. No, how I go sine. Okay, sine. Okay, this part you got it wrong. Sine minus cos, is it? I think so. So you have to understand from the graph, Alan, over there. So how do you solve it? Cos is more than sine, of course the difference will be positive. Hence the mod opens with the plus sign, not the minus sign. Yes. So clear, Purni? Very good. It's a very good question. I told you it's not difficult, but if you get it right, let's say this question comes in the examination and you're looking at the first time, a different type of problem, of course, on the similar concept, and you get it right, it means that you're very, very good, very strong conceptually. You understand the graphical part, you know the modulus operators and derivative also. Okay, and you also know the special angles. So very good. Guys, let's continue. So we have this one, nobody got it right. So I remember the tally. It is like now 7, 3 and 1. I remember 7, 3 and 1 was the last time. 7 is Alan, 3 Purni, and do not worry, Purni, you have more questions. If you get it right, you can overcome, you can take over Alan also. Okay, got it. Let's say question number 10 now. Sorry, not 10, 11 now. Yeah, answer for question number 11. Yashash, very good. Please give me the answer for question number 11 also. Yes. So I have a lot of questions, don't worry. I'm not going anywhere right now. Question number 11, y equal to root of x plus root of x plus root of x plus root of x till infinite number of times. Derivative is going to be what? Harsha is saying A. Harsha is saying A. Okay, very good, Harsha. We'll see. Let me solve it. So let me know how many of you got this step right. how many of you got this step right? All of you in the live, please tell me how many of you got the first step I've written over here correct. If you got this right, means your answer is close to being correct. So all of you got this step right? Alan, Purni, Yashash, Harsha, Crazy Loots, all of you in the live, tell me whether you got this step correct or not. Okay? Yes. Superb. Then what is the next step? Get rid of the root. So square equals to x plus y. Okay. What's the next step? Bring it on over this side. You get y square minus y equals to x. Differentiate now. What are you going to get? 2y y1 minus y1 equals to 1. Take y1 common. You have 2y minus 1 equals to 1, and I hope all of you can see the answer now. y1 equals to 1 upon 1 upon 2y minus 1, right? 1 upon 2y minus 1. Option D is correct. Option D is correct. I hope that you will give me the faster answer for this. Okay. Superb. So I think Alan and Purni, both of you got it right. Yes. Okay. So far I have Alan with 8, Purni with 4, and others are still at 1. Okay. Guys, please make more attempt to solve these questions. Otherwise, I have already given you recorded sessions, right? Why I'm coming for the live? So that I want you to try, give some more effort. Okay, have some more energy from your side rather than me giving you solutions all the time. Okay, got it? Clearer? Okay, let's carry on. Question number 11 is done. Question number 12 now. Okay, if fx equals to log of x upon x minus 1, x is not equal to 1, x equals to 1, continuous at x equals to 1, then the value of k is what? Value of k is what? This I'm not solving, guys. This I'm not solving. Please solve this from all of you. You can solve this, right? Alan also given you. Alan have given the hint already. LH rule is good enough to solve this question. LH rule is good enough to solve this question. So in the limit part, we're looking for continuity, right? You to prove what? Limit of fx when x tends to 1 should be equal to f of 1. That's the rule to prove continuity. So from the definition part of view, differentiate this under the limit, that is called as limit LH rule, and get the answer. Check what is coming as. Okay, so I think I want the answers. Come on, I want the answers. What's the value of k? So far no answer. Come on, yeses. Alan, Purni, give me answers, please. Give me answers, please. D. D is not right. It says D is not right, bacha. What happened? What went wrong? Is D correct? No. See, over here in the limit part, we have ln x upon x minus 1, right? If you differentiate this, x tends to 1. If you differentiate this, you'll have 1 by x for the derivative of ln x. Over here, you'll have simply 1. Okay. Now, what is this whole thing becoming? 1 by x. Put the limit value as x equals to 1. You get the value of the limit as simply 1. Okay. And please check. So, you have this f of 1 equals to 1. F of 1 is k. So, k value is 1, right? Not 0. Option B is correct. Option B is correct. Okay. So LHL you don't have to use over here, right? Do you? You don't have to, because they're saying it is already continuous. Look, whenever you are looking to prove continuous, then you have to look for LHL and RHL. Correct now? But in this question you don't have to do that, because simply they have given continuous already. So whatever you take, LHL or RHL, they have to be equal. Correct now? So don't worry, don't use that method. Then it will take longer than what you actually need to have the question solved in. So B is the answer. So far I think the tally has become, Alan got 9 right, Purni got 5 right, and Ali has given another answer. So Ali has got how many? 1 right. So yes, and Tanmay, I hope you got it. You can just simply use the limit, not LHL and RHL, because whenever you don't have that defined, then you use that method. Okay. All right. Question number 12 is done. Question number 13 now. Problem number 13. I have some special questions to discuss from 2025 also, so please be with me. Yeah, superb. 13th, very good, Tanmay. 13th one, please try to solve it and get it right. It's a good question. You have to use the formula that you know, that you have learnt in PU1 grade 11 of trigonometric functions. Okay. Yes, guys. And stay tuned. We are looking to provide at least 2 lives every week, so that you can come back and practice your questions with us. Okay, ask your doubts, especially because sometimes the doubts get skipped in the recorded session. So sometimes you're not able to type the question in the comment section, not able to convey us. But when we are in the live, you can of course give some hint to us, and we get the questions just okay. You can let me know the textbook question paper. We can search online and get it, the doubt over here, and clear it for all of you. All right. So question number 13, is it clear? All of you got it? Any answers from Alan, Purni, Ali, Tanmay, Yashash? Answer for question number 13. If fx equals to sine inverse of 2x plus 2 power x plus 1 is there, how do you solve this? Simply take 2 power x as tan theta, okay, and write this 2 power x plus 1 upon 1 plus 4 power x as 2 times of 2 power x and 1 plus 2 power x of square. Please check. 2 power x square is nothing but 4 power x, and 2 power x plus 1 is nothing but 2 times of 2 power x, right? This thing becomes what? 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. There's a formula for this. We get this as sine 2 theta. I got this from here, and this formula is nothing but sine 2 theta. Now the question becomes easier. Y or fx equals to sine inverse of sine 2 theta. Okay, you'll have here 2 theta. If tan theta is 2x, then your theta becomes sine inverse of 2x. If 2 power x is tan theta, it means the theta becomes equals to tan inverse of 2x. I think B, sir. Purni is saying B. B is not right, Purni. B is not right. Please try again, or you can pay attention on the screen. I'll give you the answer. Okay, B is not correct, bacha. So if you solve this, differentiation of this will have y dash equals to 2. Inverse of this will be 1 plus 2 power x the square. Derivative of tan inverse is nothing but 1 upon 1 plus x square, whatever it is, right? So in this case of x, we have 2 power x. So 2 power x the square, all right? And then differentiate 2 power x also. So you can get this as 2 power x ln 2. Derivative of exponential function with the base other than natural value. So we get this as 2 power x ln 2. Now rest is what? To find at the point, okay, this is wrong. We're looking to find what is the value of f0, okay? Not f of 0 equals to 0. The question was, there's a typing mistake in this, all right? Now substitute this y dash at 0. This will be what? 2 times of ln 2, okay, and 2 power 0 divided by 1 plus 2 power 0 the square. We get here 2 ln 2, because 2 power 0 is nothing but 1, and we get here 1 plus 1 the square. Please check. 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. This will cancel this. Answer will become simply ln 2. Answer will be simply ln 2. Log 2. C. C. Yes. So far I had a correct answer from Yasas has given the right answer. Okay, Alan got it wrong again. Ali has changed his answer to C. So far I have Alan at 9, Purni at 5, Yasas I think at 2, and Ali also is at 1 because he got the answer later correct. Okay, so I hope all of you are getting it. How I got this answer? Simple. Now you might have this in your mind that, sir, how do we solve this entire process in 1 minute in the examination? Okay, because this is a P by Q, so of course I need to be faster. Yes. So you should be able to click that this is the substitution over here. So I'll tell you what this is necessary steps. I'm going to mark the necessary steps, means how much steps you can write in your paper and to get the answer faster. Okay. So what is the most important step over here? This is a step number 1. You got to know this step. Okay. Then you don't have to do this. This is very simple. This is my second step, which is important. Second step, y inverse, and yeah, this is also important. So this becomes a 3-step question then. Other that you can see written on the screen is basically what to be written and what to be understood in the mind. You cannot write all these steps in the in the paper and all. You have to be faster. You have to skip some steps. So your question actually requires 3 steps. Step number 1, 2, 3, and that's good enough to solve the question in 1 minute. Sir, any shortcut? Yes, I told you, Yashas. For this question, there is no shortcut as such. You have to be faster. You have to skip the steps. If you know the process, right, you can solve this question in 1 minute. If you actually know the process, if you know what is the substitution, you can solve this question in 1 minute. That's true. If you have to only write the step number 1 here, 2 and 3. Rest all is done in your mind. Okay. 13 is done. Question number 14 now. So 13 is clear for everyone, I guess, right? Yeah. Question number 14, who all are solving it? This is easy. I want the answer from every one of you. We know this, right? This is a simple question. Answer will be what? Please check. What happened? Purni, Alan, your answers are not coming. 14th one. You're going to differentiate this. It's application of your parametric form. You'll have this as a2 tan theta and sec square theta. Okay, that's the numerator part. And for this you'll have a2 sec theta, and again you're going to differentiate sec one more time, but the chain rule you get sec theta tan theta. Please check. A cancels, 2 cancels, tan cancels, sec cancels. Answer is 1. My derivative is coming as 1. It means second derivative will be what? Will be 0. Answer will be option number B. So you can solve this question within 30-40 seconds. Okay, it's a PYQ. Can be easily solved? Yes. So answer is B. Purni got it right. Alan changed his answer. Okay. So far Alan got 9, Purni got 6, and Yasas was at 2. Am I correct? 1 second. And Ali was also at 1. Yeah. Ali was also at 1. So see, Purni, you are catching up now. Yasas also got this right, but a little late. Okay, I'll give you this. Okay, Alan, I expect better from you. Yeah, so in my sessions I would like to know my students, because we're gonna have a journey of 1 year. Okay, so I want to know your names. I want to see how you're doing in the live sessions. So this is done. Question number 14 is very simple. Question number 15 now. You still have more questions to catch up and to ace this live session. Okay, question number 15. Come on, solve it. Similar approach. Remember, I just saw this. So if you have solved the question number 13, you can solve this faster. Yeah. Come on, guys. Okay, question number 15. How to solve this? Same approach. X as tan theta. So we'll get what? We'll get this as sine inverse of sine 2 theta, because of the formula is nothing but y. Okay, differentiate, this will become simply 2 theta. I want f inverse, right? So that's why I'm going to keep this as fx only. Okay, so write f of x as 2 tan inverse of x, which is nothing but what? Derivative will become what from here? Please check. F dash of x will become 2 upon 1 plus x square. 2 upon 1 plus x square. So f dash of root 3 will be 2 upon 1 plus root 3 square. How much is this? 2 upon 1 plus 3. How much is that? 2 upon 4. Answer is 1 by 2. Answer is option A, 1 by 2. Yeah. Yes. Now the okay, so Ali got 2 right, Alan got 10 right, Purni got 7 right. Okay, yes, yes, correct. Superb. And this was at 3. Superb. So I can see the answers are coming now. Superb, superb job, guys. 15th is done. Any doubt in 15th? Can I move on now? Any doubt in question number 15? Can I move on now? 16th? Let's begin. Okay. Question number 16. So who are solving this? X e power y e power x. How to solve this question? Your product here, your powers also, use log, as simple as that. Okay, use log. So you get what? Log x e power y log e power x, y log x e, and we get here x log e. Log e is 1, right? Log e is 1. Okay, so this will become what? Y. We can apply the product rule over here. Sorry, yeah, the formula that is there for product, it becomes log of x plus log of e. This will be simply equals to x. Continue from here. I get y equals to x upon 1 plus log of x. Differentiate, get the answer from here. Differentiate and get the answers from here. Okay, I've done a question like this right now in the live session, so I hope all of you can solve from here, right? Log e is nothing but 1. You can bring this whole thing over here. It becomes x upon 1 plus log x. Give me the answer for derivative of this. Yes, Purni got it right. D is correct answer. So now Purni is at 8 actually. Alan is at, okay, excuse me, yeah, okay, yeah, this is correct, no? Alan at 10, and Ali has given the answer. Yeah, Ali has given also the answer as 3. Yes, is at 3. Guys, please check. Yeah, so I can see Purni is catching up now. Superb job, superb. Ali also got it wrong in the first attempt. Why? Alan got it wrong. Why, dear? You have to apply quotient rule here, right? So you'll have 1 plus log x as it is. Differentiating this x, okay, will give me 1. Minus sign will come. Keep x this time as it is, and the derivative of 1 plus log x will be 1 by x, right? Divided by this whole square. This x and x cancel. This 1 also cancel with this 1. We get only log x left in the numerator. So log x upon 1 plus log x the whole square. I hope you got it right now. What's your mistake, Alan? What is your mistake? A is not right, no? Okay. Question number 17 now. Question number 17 now. I hope everybody is clear now with the previous question. Done? Any problem? Guys, come on, come back. Tell me, any problem in the previous question? No? I can't see any comments, so I hope it is all good. Question number 17 now. You have still time to catch up. There's few more questions to go. Question number 17, please solve this. Alan, I want you to get this one right. 17th, I want you to get it right. Please check. We are looking for this x square and times of second derivative. We are looking for 1 second. Am I audible right now? Can you check? Okay. Rock is saying E. There is no option E, dear. Okay. X square y2. It's some humor that I did not get. Jivan is saying D. D is one of the answer. Okay, correct. We'll see. How to solve this question? Derivative. Y dash will become what? Or y1 will become what? You will have 2 times of n plus 1 x power n, and over here you'll have plus 3 times of minus n x power minus n minus 1. That's how I differentiate the value of 1 by x power n. Okay, yeah, Purni, you're right. A is the right answer. A is the correct answer. So let's continue now with the y2. We get y2 as 2 times of this n will again come. So n times of n plus 1 times of x power n minus 1 plus, so there's a minus over here, right? This minus will come, so minus 3 n is there, and this also come minus n minus 1 x power minus n minus 2. That's the derivative of x power minus n minus 1. You have to differentiate one more time, so you get the value power minus 1. So we get minus n minus 1 minus 1 becomes minus n minus 2. All right. So please check. I'm getting y2 as 2n n plus 1, okay, and x power n minus 1, and this I can take minus sign common over here, it will become plus 3n n plus 1 x power minus n minus 2. So far so good? So far so good? Yes. Yes, Alan, you're also right. What are you going to do next? Take n into n plus 1 common, okay? Take n into n plus 1 common. You'll have here 2 times of x power n minus 1 plus 3 times of x power minus n minus 2. But what are they asking you? They're asking you y2? No, they're asking you x square times of y2. They're asking you x square times of y2. Let's do it. I get x square times of y2, multiply to this side, I get n times of n plus 1. Bring it on this side, we get 2 times of x power, multiplying with x square, right? So add the power 2 plus 2. Over here also plus 3. We have x power minus n, again minus 2 plus 2, right? Minus 2 plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2. Okay. Please check, this will cancel, and over here we'll have what? N times of n plus 1. We get 2 times of x power n plus 1 and plus 3 times of x power minus 9, right? It'll become minus n, right? It'll become x power n over here. This is nothing but the value of y. So n times of n plus 1 times of y is the value of x square y2. So option A was correct. Option A was correct. Yes, guys. Sir, we get answer within 3-4 steps if we delete options. Yes, that also is correct. Very good approach. Superb approach. I understand that. Yes, sir. Superb thinking. You can do reverse, options as well. What option is not suitable, you can do that and get the answer in 3 steps. Good one. Okay, yes, sir, I completely agree with you. So I think here, if you see the tally, Purvi is at 9, Alan at 11, yes, is at 4. Who all Ali is at? Ali, what is your answer? Ali gave me answer, yeah. Ali at 4, right? Yeah, superb. These are the 4 achievers today, going very strong. Purni and Alan is competing 11 and 9 points. Ali and Yasas at 4 and 4. I'm telling you, I still have a lot of questions. I still have close to 6-7 questions you can solve and get them right. So I hope this is very much clear. Question number 17 is clear. How do we get that? So you can use the reverse, you can actually use the reverse approach of eliminating the options to get the right answer. That also works faster. Completely agree with that approach. I tend to do that a lot when I'm writing any examination or any. If I'm under the time crunch, I use that approach a lot. So all of you, please do it. So I'm feeling maths difficult. Tell me which part. I'm here for that only, right? Which part is difficult? If you're feeling everything is difficult, please start with the NCERT. Okay? Start solve example questions. This is for ABX. Please try this. I'm making a request to you for the next week. Just solve NCERT solved examples and then come back to me and let me know how you're feeling now. Okay? Simple. I'm giving you one simple solution. Start solving NCERT solved example. You do this much and then come back to me next live and tell me how you're feeling now. Okay? We have time. We can make over. We can still get better in maths. Now for this question number 18. Answer, guys. Question number 18. X equals to 1. The function fx equals to x cube minus 1 and x minus 1. What is the result? What's the result? C. C is the answer for Alan. We'll check. Please check continuity. So if you check over here, f of 1 will be 0 because of this. Okay, 1 minus 1 is 0 from here. 1 minus 1 is 0 from here, and limit will become what? Limit will be x cube minus 1, x tends to 1, answer will be 1 cube minus 1, again 0. So limit is equal to function value at 1. It means it is continuous. It is continuous at x equals to 1. So Alan, your answer is wrong. Please cross check. It should be continuous. We'll check for differentiability. For that we have to write what? F dash of x. Do this. You'll have here 3x square. You'll have here 1. At this again same thing. 1 to infinity, and this is minus infinity to 1, right? My bad guys, this cannot be equal. We don't have equality at the infinity, okay, right? So if you check here, put value of 1, they're not equal. LHD is nothing but 1 and your RHD value is 3. They are not equal. LHD is not equal to RHD, hence this is a non-differentiable condition. Option B is correct actually. Option B is correct actually. Okay. Alright. So option B is correct. Yes, ABX. Please, bacha, please, I'm telling you, I'm making a request. If you even believe me in 10%, no, I'm making a request. Just solve example of all the chapters that is covered in the school, okay? In the PU college, where you're going. Solve all those things. And if you need any help, no, for clarifications, come and check my sessions in Sankalp. Those chapters, you'll have a clarity over there. Do this bare minimum. I'm telling you, there will be a difference in the way you understand the concepts. Okay? So, Alan, you got it right now. Yeah. Purni got it right. No, Purni also got it wrong. So all of you have got it wrong. Why? See, Purni A, Alan A. Alan took the answer also away. Okay, so far the tally remains this only. 9, 11, 4, 4. Come on guys, still have more questions to go. So this is clear now, right? All of you are getting it, how to solve this question. I told you the question like this can come. This is a question from PYQ of 2020. You have to use both continuity definition and differentiability definition to get the result. Here, this one. This is my favorite question from the previous year. From the PYQ of 2025, this is my favorite question. This question feels like a little bit of, very little bit, but of JEE. Simple question of JEE. Because if you differentiate this, you'll get the answer as this. And the option is only one correct. Option B you're going to pick, and this is going to be a wrong approach. If you differentiate the given function, you get the answer as minus 1 upon 1 plus sine x. I'm telling you, you have an option given as only one is correct. You're going to pick the option as B, and this whole thing is wrong, incorrect. This whole thing is wrong. Then how do you solve this, sir? Then how do you solve this particular question? C. C is right answer. Alan got this now. Alan is making a comeback. C is the right answer. C is the right answer. So do I have to differentiate this part? I can derivative you can all do, right? Please explain me. You can all do derivative? No? Quotient rule you cannot apply. Y dash is given by cos x derivative is going to be minus sin x. Okay. Keep 1 plus sin x as it is. Differentiate this now with a minus sign, cos x as it is, and you're going to get what? 1 plus sin x derivative will be simply cos x, right? Divided by 1 plus sin x, the whole square. So I'm getting here what? I'm getting here minus sin x, and I'm getting here minus sin square of x minus cos square of x divided by this whole square. Please check. I can take this as minus sin x. Take minus sign common. Sin x plus cos square x plus sin square x. Okay. And have here 1 plus sin x the whole square. My sign is outside. I get y dash as minus sin x plus 1 divided by 1 plus sin x the whole square. This whole thing cancels with this. So I have y dash equals to 1 upon 1 plus sin x with the minus sign that you had over here. So minus 1 upon 1 plus sin x. So derivative is very much clear, okay? Derivative is very much clear. Yes. So I have the answer from everyone is getting it right. Okay, C is correct answer. But now, how do we get this option? How do we get the third option? So far I have dy by dx equals to 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus sin x. Okay, now from here we have two approach. Simply apply the formula of the whole square, right? One as cos square of x by 2 plus sin square of x by 2. Sin x, the formula is half angle formula is 2 sin x by 2 and cos x by 2. Or beautifully minus 1 upon 1 plus cos of pi by 2 minus x. From here, any problem? If I write like this, anybody has a problem with me? Anybody is angry at me right now? Sir, why you wrote that? Anybody angry at me right now? Anybody angry at me right now? If I do this. If I do this, anybody angry at me right now? No? Cos pi by 2 minus x is simply sin x. I can do that. I can apply that approach. Okay. Yes. Check this out. What I get? Minus 1 upon, this will become what? 1 plus cos. The formula, remember, we have cos 2 theta equals to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Bring on this side. 1 plus cos 2 theta equals to 2 cos square theta. Use this. 1 plus cos. 1 plus cos of some angle is nothing but twice of cos of the half of that angle. This was here cos 2, this was here simply theta. So twice of the cos square of half of the angle that you have. So pi by 2 minus x, this whole thing divided by 2. Yes or no? If I have 1 plus cos some angle, this becomes equal to twice of the cos square of half that angle. Do that. Minus 1 by 2 is outside. Minus 1 by 2 is outside. Check this out. Cos square, divide pi by 2 by 2. Divide pi by 2 by 2. Divide pi by 2 by 2. Please check. Pi by 2 by 2. You get this as pi by 4 minus remains as it is and x by 2 becomes x by 2. Check this. Okay. So now we have dy by dx equals to minus 1 by 2. Bring cos on the numerator. Sec square pi by 4 minus x by 2, which is nothing but my option C. Okay. Yeah, that's my option C. Now, how many of you like this approach? How many of you like this approach? We can have more than one approach to solve this question, but how many of you enjoyed this approach? Option C is correct because what I did right now to change sine to cos. Was this a good question? All of you? Was this a good question? Please check. Over here. Over here. Yes, superb. This works, okay? There's no calculation here. One step, just one step. This formula is good enough. This formula is good enough. If you know that well, I'm telling you, whenever you see a question like this where you can apply this formula, apply. It will be making your effort much easier. Now a tally goes to Alan has 12, Purni has 10, Ali got now as 5. Yes is not answering. How come pi by 4, sir? Because you have pi by 2 over here. This is pi by 2. Ali, please check cos pi by 2 minus x. Divide this by 2. Divide pi by 2 by 2. What are you going to get? Pi by 4 only, right? Pi by 2 is 90. Divide by 2. 45. That's pi by 4, right? Clear now? Clear now? Yeah? Okay. So yes has not answered this. This is the tally right now. This is for Ali. Okay, Ali got 5. Okay, superb. Love this question. I told you this is my personal favorite question. This is my personal favorite because As a student, no, we make this mistake. We saw the first one is right. We're in a hurry. We're in exam condition. We won't check the other options, sir. We have an option. Only one is correct. Option B is correct. Move on. 1 mark. No, 0 mark. 0 mark. Because you did not say the other options. And they're not easy ones. They're difficult ones actually. Please check. Okay. I've made a mistake over here. This is plus 1 by 2, right? That cannot be the case. This has to be minus 1 by 2. I think option is minus 1 by 2, right? Not the plus 1. Yeah. 19 is done. This is clear. Question number 20 now. Question number 20, everyone, please solve it. Yeah. I told you this question based on the definition of continuity and differentiability comes every year. One question this year also gonna come 100%. It's not a guess. It's a guarantee. One question on the definition of continuity and differentiability will come this year in the C&D PYQs. Please make a note of it. You have to answer this question on the definition of C&D. Okay. So this is a question. This came this year. Supply continuity now because check, you have a two variable over here. Variable is A and B. To solve for two variable, you need two equations. So you have to apply two conditions of one's for continuity, one's for differentiability. Guys, please solve this. Please check. If I apply for continuity, limit. Where is the limit going to be from here? So e power x plus a power x, limit x tends to 0 equals to f of 0. To this, you get from here e power 0 is going to be 1 plus, this is going to be 0, right? A into 0 is 0. So we get 0 equals to b times of 0 minus 1 square. From here I'm getting 1 equals to b times of 1. Simply b value is 1. B value is 1 means we have three options like that. We can't conclude from here. Okay. Superb. A. Alan is saying A. Okay. Alan got the answer as A. We'll see. I have to check it. I don't know the answer. Let's solve it now. Okay. For next will be differentiability. Apply differentiability now, guys. So continuity. Differentiate this. You'll have f of x as f dash of x as e power x as it is plus A. Over here you'll have b times of 2 times of x minus 1. Okay, for x less than 0 and for x greater than equal to 0. Apply for LHD. LHD should be equal to RHD because it is given as differentiable. The given function is differentiable means it is continuous also. That's why we have applied the definition of continuity. Differentiable means we have to apply LHD equals to RHD. Where is LHD? Over here. Apply this. So e power 0 will become again 1. We have A equals to over here 2b and 0 minus 1. Continue. I get 1 plus A equals to minus 2b and b value is what? B value is 1. So right here A equals to minus 2b minus 1. So minus 2 times of 1 minus 1 minus 3. A value is minus 3. Option 3 is correct. So Alan got it right. Sorry, wrong actually. Alan got it wrong. Forgive me. Yeah. Alan got it wrong. Option 3 is correct. So all of you got it wrong. Alan, Ali and Purni, all of you got it wrong. So I don't have to change anything in this particular tally right now. So far Alan is leading. Why did you all get it wrong, guys? So far Alan is with 12, Purni with 10 and Ali with 5. Why did you get it wrong? What was the mistake, everyone? This is a simple question. Why was the mistake? Can you tell me? What's the mistake? Yes, but it is different, right? So 3 is the answer, not A. 20th is done. Let's solve this one. This is a simple question. Everyone should get this correct. Everyone should get this one correct at least. P will become x square minus 1 and Q. Solve for Q. Solve for Q. You'll have x times of x square minus 1. I'm finding the value of determinant over here. With minus 1 I get what? With minus 1 I get, this is cancelled, right? I get x minus 1, no? X minus 1 for this one I get. Plus 1 will be what? 1 minus x. This is giving me x cube minus x plus 1 minus x plus 1 gives me x cube minus 3x plus 2. That's the value of Q. I think from here you can get all the answers. All of you can get the answer from here. I'm not giving the answer for this question. Okay, come on. Alan got it right. Is it Alan? So Alan has got this answer right. Yeah. Yeah. Only Alan has got it, this question right so far. Others no. This is going to be 13 now. Purni at 10. Ali at 5. That's the tally. You also got it right. Okay, so plus 1, plus 1. 21. I give you enough time to solve this question, guys. Come on, you have to be faster. Faster, faster, faster. So anybody has doubt in this problem? No? If you have doubt, let me know. I will explain it to you again. Okay, it was simply finding the determinant and from there differentiate it to get the result equal to 3 times of x square minus 1. Differentiate this. Now you'll have the answer as 3x square minus 3. Okay, take 3 common. 3 times of x square minus 1. That's the value of p. Hence it becomes 3p. Hence it becomes 3p. Please check. That's 3 written over there. That's 3 written over here. Equal to 3. Okay, 21 is done. 22 now. The last 2 questions. Purni, if you want to catch up, you have the last 2 questions to solve. 22. Y equal to sine cube t and cos qt. I have solved this question already, but if you can solve it, if you want me to solve it, I'll solve it anyway. We're looking for derivative at, we're looking for f dash at 3 pi by 4. Guys, give me the answers. Come on. Come on, give me the answers. Yes. Yeah. Still waiting. Alan said D. Alan's answer is D. Others? Purni, Ali. I'll wait for 1 minute. Your answer, please. Your answer, please. dy by dx. So we have dy by dt upon dx by dt, the parametric form. Your answers? Purni and Ali. Your answers? Okay. Purni also D. Alright, Ali, no answer. Okay, let me continue then. We have over here answer as a3 sine square t cos t divided by a3 cos square t, and we get cos derivative as minus sine. Please check. So a cancel, 3 cancel, cos cancel this one, sine cancels this is product. Okay, this one I get the answer as minus tan t. Minus tan t. So now what we're looking for? F dash at 3 pi by 4. So minus tan of 3 pi by 4. Minus tan of 3 pi by 4 is how much? Tan of pi minus pi by 4, which is which quadrant? Second quadrant. So minus 1. Answer is plus 1. D is correct. D or fourth answer is correct. Okay. Tan 3 pi by 4 is anyway minus 1. If you want, you can use the quadrant rule to understand this. Yeah. Okay. So we have the tally right like this. Alan at what is it? 14. Purni at 11 and Ali at what is it? Ali at 6, 7. Okay, superb. Now this is the last question of the day. We'll solve it and complete our session. The last question of the day. 23. Derivative of sin x with respect to log x is what? Derivative of sin x with log x is what? Okay, come on. Solve this and get me the answer. You're looking for, if I take this to a function, let's say p as sin x and q as log x. They're asking us to find dp by dq. So we have to take this as what is this going to be? dp by dx upon dq by dx. Come on, give me the answers. Give me the answer for this. B is the answer for Alan. Others? Anybody? No? I'll write the final tally. We have Alan, Ali and Purna. Purna is at, okay, so we have 14, 11 and 7, right? We have 14, 11 and 7. Please check. Okay, so Alan, your answer is correct. So 14 plus 1. Ali, your answer is wrong. This is not right. D is not right. Okay, answer is 2, not 4. That's wrong there. The final tally is 7. And Purna didn't give any answer, Purni. So you have the answer as 11 only. Please check, differentiate this. Will get answer as cos x for the numerator, and this will become 1 by x. X goes up, it becomes x cos x. It becomes x cos x. So option 2 is correct. Okay, option 2 is correct. So final tally remains like this. You have 15, 7 and 11. See, I told you it's going to be very close because I have taken enough amount of questions. So 23 is done. This completes our session today. So please try to attend the lives that we're going to conclude. We're going to take on all the subjects: physics, chemistry, maths and biology. Tomorrow I think there'll be another live. You get to know very soon. For that you have to join the WhatsApp channel. So for all the updates, for all the live sessions, you have to join the WhatsApp channel, because in there only we get to post our schedule of the live or anything which is coming your way. Even the classes of this will be given in the live only, in the WhatsApp channel only. So please join the WhatsApp channel to be updated about any class coming your way, and attend all these sessions. Okay, it's all designed for your benefit only. Okay, superb. So this completes your session today. I hope all of you enjoyed it, and again come back for next live. Join the live, answer questions, ask all the doubts. Okay, so I can end this session today, and I'll see you again very soon in the next live of maths. Till then, take care. Bye bye.